My name is Dr. Michael Lenoir, and on behalf of the Alameda County Health Pipeline Partnership, I'd like to introduce you to Respiratory Therapist Antonio Ponce.
I grew up during my adolescent years here in the East Bay between Newark and Fremont. My parents and family always supported me in every endeavor I did. They always said that I could, do whatever I wanted to do in life and be what I wanted to be. So there was always a positive environment. The challenge for me was just deciding what it was exactly I wanted to do. I initially, between a few of my friends and myself, I became a pre-hospital care provider. I ended up working as an EMT for about 7 years. However, during that time, I came across a lot of mentors and people I looked up to, and one of the guys that I thought very highly of was actually a respiratory therapist as well as an emergency care provider. So he told me more about the industry, and I definitely liked the idea of specializing in one particular area. I think it definitely takes a lot from the community and males as a whole to take the extra initiative, to take it upon themselves to further choose to educate and work in this industry. It's definitely a plus to be more diverse. I'm always up for that. I like being able to help all of our patients, but sometimes I know there's language barriers at times, and as long as I'm able to translate, that's always helpful. Whether it's asking for directions or learning some critical information in preference to the patient. I think most of our patient population can definitely relate to seeing a familiar face or a familiar look in some of our allied healthcare personnel. And sometimes that will make the difference in a patient cooperating a little bit more, or just hearing out another provider on some recommended therapies. Some of the things that healthcare providers talk less about, but we should all be very familiar with, is just empathy towards our patients. That's why one of the single and most imperative things that goes the farthest with a lot of our patients, especially in some of our urban patient communities. My name is Antonio Ponce. I'm a proud registered respiratory therapist at Highland Hospital.
The Alameda County Health Pipeline Partnership and I support young males of color in any and all pursuits to successful careers in health. I'm Dr. Michael Norm. Thanks for watching.